Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to explain a Homeric simile, but before I explain this lecture, if you are new to my channel then please like the video and subscribe the channel. It can be defined as, a Homeric simile, also known as an epic simile, is a detailed and extended comparison that often spans several lines, used primarily in epic poetry. What does it mean? Simply, it means that Homeric simile is nothing but it is a type of simile which is also called an epic simile. You should keep in mind that Homer used these extended similes extensively and made them a prominent feature of his storytelling technique. So, that is why it is called Homeric simile. There must be a question in your mind that how it is different from a generally used simile. The simple answer is a Homeric simile is a detailed. By detailed means that it is extended comparison that often spans several lines which vividly elaborates the things being compared. If you are not getting the point, let me tell you some of the characteristics of the Homeric simile. The first point is elaboration. By this point it means that it is different from regular similes. Basically, Homeric similes are extended over several lines, providing a detailed description of the image or scenario being compared. In other words, you can say that this is the main characteristic of this simile, that its comparison consists of many lines, and a regular simile is brief, which mainly consists of one line. The next point is in-depth comparison. By this point, it means that they don't just state that one thing is like another, they describe the second thing in elaborate detail. This detail helps to paint a vivid picture in the reader's mind. Simply, you can say, Homeric simile gives a deep comparison between two things. Mini-narrative. By this point it means that this simile can act like a brief story within the larger narrative, providing additional context or enhancing the emotional impact of the main action. Simply, you can say these similes often include elements of action, emotion, or context that mirror the primary scene, making the comparison more dynamic and engaging. As you have understood the definition and its characteristics, so let me give you an example, then you will get it. Just look at this example. As a lion springs upon the flocks unshepherded, of goats or sheep, and leaps upon them with murderous mind, so upon the fallen Patroclus leapt Hector. This is a well-known example from the epic, the Iliad. Basically, in these lines Homer compares a warrior's attack to a lion attacking a herd, describing the lion's stealth, power, and ferocity in detail, which reflects the warrior's qualities. Actually, this simile describes not just the lion's leap but its intent, movement, and the reaction of its prey, creating a vivid parallel to the warrior's actions. The conclusion of this lecture is, a Homeric simile, or epic simile, is a detailed and extended comparison used in epic poetry. Unlike regular similes, which are brief, Homeric similes elaborate on the comparison over several lines, creating vivid and intricate images. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture and please don't forget like and subscription to my channel. Thank you.